This is the Core 10x team. We are from Elite Institutes in India, and we have been working with uh, industry giants for quite some time, with uh, close to 7 to 8 years of experience for almost all of us. Now, going ahead, what does 10x Academy offer you? 10x Academy is offering a bootcamp program for fresh engineers. Now, what does the bootcamp comprise of, or what are the highlights of the bootcamp? First thing, it's different from an online course. For example, a Coursera course or a Udemy course. We look at what the exact difference between an online course and the 10x bootcamp. But before jumping into that, I will highlight some of the major offerings or major differentiators of our bootcamp. First thing, we are talking about live interactive classes. So unlike an online course where the video lectures are pre-recorded, we are having live classes where students can actually ask real-time questions and you will get real-time answers in the lecture itself. And the most important thing, no coding background is assumed. So when we start our boot camp, we will start from the basics and make sure everybody is on the same page before we jump into advanced concepts. And like with any skill, practice is paramount. Practice is what differentiates between a very skilled engineer versus a very naive engineer. And as part of the boot camp, we have 1,000+ hours of coding practice. Like every day, you will practice, or you will have to practice almost 4 hours. So in that sense, it is a very demanding program. It requires a lot of commitment from the participants. And it's not just enough that you practice. You need somebody who will monitor your practice, who will see what is that you are doing good and should keep on doing, and what kind of mistakes you are committing and how to correct them. And that's where our one-on-one mentoring comes into picture. So you will, just like daily practice, you will have daily support from experienced programmers who will correct you and tell you how to make progress if you don't understand a particular concept or if you are stuck solving a particular problem. There is a huge support from our mentors who will help you unblock and continue making progress in programming. And it's not just related to technical mentoring. We are also talking about career coaching and mock interviews that will come in the second half of the program. So in the first half, you will be learning, practicing, and honing your programming and algorithmic skills. And the second half, there will be career coaching where you will engage with industry professionals who will conduct mock interviews for you so that you will get a real life experience of how an interview is going to be, and you will be well prepared before you actually enter into a real interview. And not just that, there is an apprenticeship phase in this boot camp which will take you through a complete journey of how a software engineer works on a day-to-day basis. This is very, very important because one of the most important reasons that contributed to the increase of programming roles is the startup culture. And when we look at the number of roles that are available, the number of roles offered by startups is much, much more than the number of roles offered by established companies. Now, the requirement for startups is different from the requirement for big companies. Startups want people who can contribute to the product right from day one. That is the main complaint that we hear from most of the recruiters today, that, okay, it's first of all, it is very tough to find a very skilled engineer. And even if they find and hire them, they are not able to contribute until after 2 or 3 months because they need to be trained on the particular technology, or they need to be trained on how to work with the team, how to collaborate with the team. So all these things are missing. Now, as part of 10x Academy, you will get to work on an apprenticeship project where you will actually work as a team and use and enhance your collaborative skills. You use tools like GitHub, where you will contribute your code, but before your code goes into production, it will be reviewed by your peers, which we call code reviews. So you will learn how to get your code reviewed, and you will also learn how to review others' code, both of which are very important skills. not just programming. Code reviewing is also a it takes a lion's share of a software engineer's day-to-day routine, right? So starting from code reviewing, working with a team, right? We will have daily stand-ups where uh, you will meet as a team and you will discuss what you're working on, how you're making progress, and if you're stuck, how to get resolved, right? And when you go into the second half of the program, in the first half, we said you will be receiving support from mentors and they will be unblocking you when you're stuck. But once you enter your second half, you will also realize that you will start helping others. You will start helping your peers. Peers meaning people who are taking the program along with you, your teammates in the apprenticeship. You will see that you will not only receive support from them, you will also be contributing as a supporter to them. You will also be unblocking some of their doubts. So that's a very important skill that you should develop if you want to grow your career in a good way. So, so we have talked about developing your technical skills in the first half of the boot camp, and we are talking about collaborative and soft skills that you develop in the second half of the program. And when we talk about soft skills, they are not just confined to teamwork, but individual skills also, like how to prepare for interviews, how to answer HR related questions, which are very important because they determine whether you are they form a basis for the recruiters to decide whether culturally whether you will fit into their company or not. So we also provide career support for improving and enhancing your soft skills. And there are multiple avenues that 10x Academy offers to you, starting from mock interviews, resume support. So we have partnered with companies like Resumify, which are professional services in developing quality resumes for applying for job roles. So these are some of the highlights that 10x Academy Bootcamp has. Now let's go ahead and compare it with an online course. So this is a brief comparison of a 10x Academy offering with an online course. And if we see, I have talked uh, about most of this, and we can clearly see that many things, almost everything is absent from an online course, right? There is no, I mean, of course, online courses have, to some extent, some of them have doubt solving, but it's not really one-to-one. It's not tailored to the student. It's mostly like through forums or, in case of a very select few, there may be one-to-one doubt solving. And then online courses don't talk about placement accountability, but 10x Academy has exclusive tie-ups with many companies, and we make sure that you you get to apply to the companies, and once you get shortlisted, you will go through the interviews, and also you will have an exclusive and premium uh, support in terms of placement process, career services like mock interviews, resume preparation, live classes we already talked about, and industry readiness that you will be able to contribute to the company right from day one without much training or hand holding. And we also talked about how much of practice you are going to have and the apprenticeship phase. Like these are some of the companies which we have referral from. There are many more. We have not listed all of them here. This is just for a overview of what kind of companies you can look at.